forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, let's do some extra problems. Problem number 1. Show that A union B equal to A intersection B implies A equal to B. To show A equal to B, we have to show A is subset of B and B is subset of A. Since A union B is equal to A intersection B, give equation number 1. Let X be an arbitrary element and which belong to A. Let X belong to A. Next step, X belong to, if X belong to A, then X also belong to A union B. By definition, X belong to A union B, but A union B is equal to A intersection B. If X belong to this set, then X also belong to this set because both sets are equal. So X belong to A intersection B. X belong to A intersection B means X belong to A and X belong to B. So we can write X belong to B. X belong to A implies X belong to B. It means A is subset of B. Give equation number 2. Now take another variable y. Let y belong to B. Implies y belong to A union B. Implies if y belong to A union B and A union B equal to A intersection B, means y belong to A intersection B. Y belong to A intersection B implies y belong to A. Y belong to B implies y belong to A. Therefore, B is subset of A. Give equation number 3. A is subset of B means every element of set is also an element of set B, and B subset of means every element of set is also an element of set A. It means both sets are equal. Therefore, from equations 2 and 3, A equal to B. Hence proved. Next problem. Show that for any sets A and B, A equal to A intersection B union A minus B, and second part A union B minus A equal to A union B. First part. Start from RHS. Right hand side is equal to A intersection B union A minus B. Next step, write A intersection B as it is and apply remark. We know that A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. So apply this formula. So in place of A minus B, write A intersection B complement. Now apply reverse of distributive law. A intersection common. So inside we get B union B complement. You can cross verify also. Outside means into or inside plus. A into B means A intersection B. Plus means union. A intersection B complement. Next step. A intersection of B union B complement is equal to universal set. By Venn diagram we know this is set B, the remaining portion is B complement and both equal to universal set. And A intersection universal set is equal to A, smaller set. A intersection universal set equal to A. Hence proved equal to left hand side. Now second part. LHS equal to A union B minus A is equal to A union, apply same formula, A minus B equal to A intersection B complement. So B minus A means B intersection A complement. अब now apply distributive law. This is into or this is plus. So A union B plus means intersection A union A complement. A union B is equal to A union B intersection A union A complement is equal to phi. There is no universal set. Same property, B union B dash equal to U, A union A dash equal to universal set. An intersection of A union B with universal set, A union B, smaller set, is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Next problem. Show that if A is a subset of B, means every element of set is also an element of set B, then C minus B is also subset of C minus A. Means we have to show every element of C minus B is also an element of C minus A. So let X be an arbitrary element such that X belong to C minus B. अब now definition. X belong to C minus B. So X belong to C and X does not belong to B. Definition of A minus B. X belong to C and X does not belong to B and A is subset of B, means X does not belong to A. Since A is subset of B, every element of set is also an element of set B. अगर X B में नहीं तो A में कैसे होगा? And again definition, X belong to C and X does not belong to A, means X belong to C minus A. X belong to C minus B implies X belong to C minus A, means every element of this set is also an element of this set. Therefore C minus B is subset of C minus A. Hence proved. Next problem. Question 4. Let A, B and C be the sets such that A union B equal to A union C and A intersection B equal to A intersection C. Show that B equal to C. Since A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, give equation number 1. And another information is A union B is equal to A union C. Two sets are equal, means intersection of these two sets with same set are also equal. So next step, therefore A union B intersection B is equal to A union C intersection B. Intersection of both sets with B also equal. Next step, A union B intersection B is equal to B. By remark, A union C intersection B, use distributive property, this is into or this is plus. So A into B means A intersection B. Union means plus means union. Then C intersection B. Next step, B is equal to, with respect to sets, with respect to union, sets are commutative, as well as with respect to intersection, sets are commutative. So we can write B intersection C. If any doubt in this, A union B intersection B could be use Venn diagram. A union B intersection B. This is set A, this is set B, this is universal set. A union B. An intersection with B. So common portion between A union B and B. This shaded portion with red and black means B. So in place of this we can write B. Give equation number 2. Now again write A union B is equal to A union C. Two sets are equal, then intersection with same sets are also equal. So A union B intersection with C is equal to A union C intersection with C. Use distributive property A intersection C union B intersection C is equal to A union C intersection C by same property is equal to C. Now first equation A intersection B equal to A intersection C. So in place of A intersection C, we can write A intersection B. B intersection C is equal to C. Give equation number 3 and here write by 1. Now B equal to A intersection B union B intersection C and C equal to A intersection B union B intersection C, both are same. It means B equal to C. Therefore from equations 2 and 3 B is equal to C. Hence proved. Next problem. Find sets A, B and C such that A intersection B, B intersection C and A intersection C are non-empty, means something is there, and A intersection B intersection C equal to 5. To find such sets, always use Venn diagram. Draw Venn diagram. This is universal set. Set A, set B, set C. A, B and C. A intersection B intersection C equal to 5. So don't write any element in this portion. So this portion is A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B is non-empty. When A intersection B is non-empty means something is there. So we can write here or here, but when we write here, then A intersection B is non-empty. So only write here. So take any element here 2. B intersection is non-empty, so take 3. A intersection is non-empty, so take 4. Any element you can take. You can take 5, 6, 7, or outside also. So let A is equal to 2, 4, 5. B is equal to 2, 3, 6 and C is equal to 3, 4, 7. Clearly A intersection B is equal to 2, not equal to 5. B intersection C is equal to 3, non-empty. C intersection A is equal to 4, not equal to 5, and A intersection B intersection C is equal to 5. Next problem. Assume that power set A is equal to power set B. Show that A equal to B. First I recall definition of power set. Power set is a collection of all subset of set A. Any subset of A belong to power set A. Now we have to show A equal to B. So let us consider an element X belong to set A. Let X belong to A such that X belong to capital X, which is subset of power set A. Let us consider X is any element of A, means X belong to any subset of set A. So we can let X belong to X is subset of A. X is a subset of A. It means X belong to power set A. P equal to PB, it is given in the question. It means X belong to power set B. X belong to power set B. It means X is a subset of B. Because every set belong to power set, then this set is subset of B. X is subset of B. Therefore, X belong to B. Why? Because X belong to X and X is subset of X. Every element of set X is also an element of set B. So X is an element of X, so X is also an element of set B. So X belong to B. X belong to A, X belong to B. Therefore, A is subset of B. Give equation number 1. Now take another element Y. Let Y belong to B. Such that you can use symbol for such that Y belong to capital Y, which is subset of B. Y is subset of B. It means Y belong to power set B. But power set B is equal to power set A. Both are equal. So Y belong to power set A. So Y belong to, so Y is subset of A. Y is subset of A and small y belong to capital Y. It means Y also belong to capital A. Y belong to B, Y belong to A. Therefore, B is subset of A. Give equation number 2. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, A is equal to B. Hence true. In next video, we will do extra problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.